Guys, I'm so excited that you have come to this video. You are not going to want to miss what is in this video. Please watch till the end. I am so excited. I have something in this box for you. Let me know if you like it. I have been waiting for her to come in. I did do a video about it recently, and you guys are all loving it. I did buy the item on Amazon, thought it was a great deal. I bought one, went back, checked the price out. The price came down, and now the item is completely sold out on Amazon. There are none left. So, this is what I did. So, I am finding silicone hands on Amazon for $20-something, $30-something, $40-something. And I said, okay, well, I know that I can find something a little bit cheaper for myself and also for my viewers. So what I did is I put up the link to that shop, right? And when I checked back, maybe a few hours later, they were completely sold out. Completely. So I don't, and there were a lot when I was shopping for them. So I don't know if you guys were grabbing them. Let me know if you got your hands on one of these. No pun intended. Let me know if you got your hands on one of these. This is a great little kit that I found on Amazon. Okay, it does come with a silicone hand, but not only does it come with a silicone hand, it comes with a couple of other things. So there are some toe separators in here that I believe are kind of like silicone-ish, right? Well, there might be silicone. There is a buffer. You get 2 packs of nail tips. I believe one is stiletto. Maybe the other one is coffin. Yes, coffin and stiletto. You get 2 nail tips. Plus, you get a nail tip cutter. Also, you get the nail stand, which I'm not a fan of, and I'll let you know why. And then you also get the beautiful silicone hand. Okay? That is all you get in the kit. Now, you get all of this. It was for $15.99. I did get mine for $15.99. Now, it lowered to $11.99. So I grabbed 2 of them. I now have 3 silicone hands. I don't think I need 3. Really, I have 4. I don't think that I need all 4. I'm going to keep one of these hands for myself because I did order another one for myself. But what I did is if you did not get your hands on one of these and you kind of lucked out and you were maybe too late, or I don't know, maybe you got there on time and they just sold out before you could even grab your hands on one, no need to worry. No need to worry. I got one for you. I got you. I got you. I grabbed this hand, guys, because I couldn't, you can't beat $11. Less than $12 for this entire kit. Guys, you get a full silicone hand plus tips, a stand, a buffer. You get a tip cutter and these silicone toe separators. All of this for $11.99. So guess what I'm going to do? Remember the giveaway that I'm having? Go check my giveaway video if you haven't already. I just uploaded it yesterday. I'm going to be including this set in my giveaway. So if you did not get your hands on, no pun intended, on one of these kits, okay, I'm not going to open it. I will not open yours. I'm going to keep yours sealed. If you want to see what the silicone hand looks like one more time, I will show you just in case you didn't get to watch my silicone hand video that I uploaded not too long ago. I'll just give you a little look of what it looks like. So this is her. You can bend her wherever you want. Look how beautiful she is. I know the camera is picking that up because I can see it. Look at the texture of the skin. It is just beautiful. Like I said, you can kind of bend her fingers wherever you'd like, right? Look at that. You can't beat that for $11.99. You just can't. I don't think you can. Let me know if you can. Let me know if you can. Let me know if you can beat $11.99. Now, they're sold out. I don't know if the seller is going to put them back in stock. I'm not sure. But I had to grab this for you guys. I had to grab one. So again, if you guys do not or did not get your hands, get it? If you didn't get to buy one, guys, please make sure that you enter my giveaway. Enter the giveaway because I will be having this for you guys. I do have a box that I've been filling up for a while now with nail items, nail goodies that I thought that you guys would love. And you guys are I made a video and you guys are showing me that you are loving what's in the box so far, which is great. So I'm going to continue to add to the box, and now actually this might just top it off. This might just top off the box. I might put this in here. No, I am going to put this in here, and I might put a couple of other things, and that probably will be it for the box, guys. So once again, I have an entire box of nail goodies that I am going to be including in my giveaway, right? I don't have much detail yet. A lot of people, not guys, a lot of people are thinking that I have opened my giveaway. It is not opened yet. It is not opened yet. I will let you know when it is open. Don't worry. I'm not going to just have a giveaway and not let you guys know. When it is opened, I will have a video saying that it is opened. Okay? I will also do another video with more details on rules and things like that and how you can enter. So once again, my giveaway is not opened yet. It is not opened. It will be open soon. I will let you know. Remember, if you want to get a chance to win this silicone hand, please make sure that you enter. Now, again, it is not open yet. I will make a video when the giveaway is opened. I'm just showing you guys what I'm including in my giveaway. Now, if you're not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, go ahead and like it. I did give a little bit more detail in the giveaway video items that I have so far. If you want to see that, I will try to link it down below. And so go ahead and check that out if you want to know a little bit more about the giveaway. Once again, I don't know much details yet. I don't really know the rules yet or what I'm going to be doing, you know, what the rules are going to be. But I will figure that out. And once I do, I will let you know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed what you see in this video. Once again, this will be entered in the giveaway. So if you want a chance to win this set here, which I will not open, I will keep closed. I'm literally going to put this in the box and close it, and I'm not going to touch it until probably I have the giveaway. So nothing in here is used, nothing in the box is used. I do not use any of the things that I'm going to be putting in the giveaway. Just keep that in mind, okay? Comment down below what's your thoughts and opinions, tips, any ideas that you have maybe to help me out to have this giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you are enjoying what you are seeing in my little giveaway, first giveaway ever. I was going to do it when I hit my 1,000 subscribers. I have now surpassed 1,000 subscribers, so this will probably still be my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, even though I have surpassed it, and then maybe we'll have another giveaway when we hit another milestone. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enter. I know a lot of people are saying enter me in the comments below, but guys, it's not open yet. So when it is opened again, I will let you know. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.